We are in Okinawa, Japan.
Live life on your own terms. This is Two Doves Nation. Let's fly.
Hi, I'm Amanda and welcome to our channel. If you're new to our channel, we vlog, we eat, and we travel to share our experiences. Hit the subscribe button below and join the Dove Nation. It's free! We're here in Okinawa. We're on the Kadena Air Force Base and we got here about 6 o'clock this evening and we had to go through immigration. We finally got our room and it's here at the Gateway Inn on base. We have room 121. It's an accessible room. We also have, they gave us two numbers because we have two separate entrances. We wanted a living room and access to a kitchen. So let's check it out. This is a sitting area. You have a couch that pulls out and makes into a bed, a coffee table, and a side table with a lamp. This is the drink station. You also have a microwave. You've got a Keurig for coffee. They give you a little bit, ice bucket, and underneath a safe and the linens for the couch. The refrigerator's kind of in an odd place, but it's nice. It's got a freezer and they include an ice tray. This is the desk area. It's in the living space with the couch. You got a chair, you got all kinds of plugs, a TV, and wireless internet with the password on the router. This is the bathroom. You have a toilet and you have a sink with a medicine cabinet. This room happens to have an accessible shower with a nice little shower head and a seat to sit on. This is the closet, nice and big, and you do have some drawers and places to put your shoes and ironing. This bed looks absolutely comfy and I can't wait to get in it. There's also an alarm clock and a bedside table. This room also has a TV with a telephone. You have some toiletries set up over here. You also have access to the heating and cooling, which of course is written in Japanese. This is the other entrance to our room and it's 122. It also has the hallway access to the common area, kitchen, and laundry. This is the common kitchen. You got a stove and no really plates, but a few utensils. As you walk into the common area, dining room table. This is the laundry room and they're actually written in English. Washer and dryer. We're gonna see what Kadena and the surrounding Okinawa area has to offer. Let's fly.
Oh, this is so cute.
We're here at the Kadena BX and we're about to go inside and we're passing all these vending machines. The Japanese really like their vending machines.
The neat thing about these ATM machine is you could get yen or US dollars. So, honey, what are we here looking for?
I kind of wanted to get like maybe either a raincoat.
A what?
A raincoat or an umbrella maybe?
Oh, okay. Guys, what we're about to do, this is the first time I've seen it. Cart, and you got it upstairs. So, I guess oh, it's got a hook. You see it? There's a hook below.
Uh-huh.
So I guess that was cool. Souvenir shop. Let's see. We are here at the BX and it's freaking rainy and we came during what, typhoon season, and it is raining constantly, so we are on a travel. We're gonna need a rain jacket, so we stopped and tried this on. It's a Columbia rain jacket and we'll see if it fits. If it fits, it's a good. Okay, it's got a liner. packable too, it looks like. Let's see. Oh, okay. What do you think, guys?
It looks
Damn.
like it's
Too big?
almost.
That's okay. I think I'm gonna get it.
You think so? Oh, you can tighten the sleeves. That's nice. Let's see it with the hood done out.
And it also have a nice little hoodie.
Oh, look. It has like a little lip that goes over the edge of your hat.
So, yeah, it covers my hat.
Hey, looking pretty sharp there, Mr. Wanda.
A little fly for a white guy.
You can tighten it too, the hood.
Okay, let's do it. Check out those fat wheels.
Wow.
I think they're
That's a beach
motorized.
You think so? Maybe. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's motorized. Let's see.
Maybe pedals.
Maybe.
Yeah,
It has a little. Oh.
It is motorized.
Oh. Folding bike.
Can I get a janitor or mama to register 10 for wet mop cleanup? Janitor or mama to register 10 for wet mop cleanup. 谷さんママさん、モップを持ったレジスター10番までお願いします。
The cute little dolls.
It's made out of wood.
Uh-huh.
I see 10,000. 58. What is this? Oh, it's a coin. Right?
Mm-hmm. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and check out our other content. This is Ace and Amanda reminding you to keep soaring to the end. Out.